Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to add keyframes in CapCut for smooth motion. To add smooth keyframes in CapCut, set an initial keyframe. So let's go to this project instead. Right? Let's say I want to select the first 5 seconds of this clip. So I'm going to hit split here at the bottom left. And I'm going to stay in the first part here. Right? Now what we're going to do, we're going to hit the diamond shaped icon in the top right. And you're going to see the red diamond. Just move away by swiping left. And then you can go ahead and zoom in or zoom out. And another diamond shaped icon will appear. So if you play this video, you're going to see basically the motion. So I'm going to hit.
If you're thinking about setting up,
right? You can also go back here. And another diamond shaped keyframe will be brought to action, basically.
If you're thinking about setting up an online store,
basically that's it. CapCut automatically generates the transition between them. To make it look professional, you can go ahead and open let me here add the diamond shaped icon. You can tab the graphs or curves next to the diamond shaped icon here. Okay. And apply ease in or ease out presets. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.